fooling around. Thought we'd take you along. Might as well pick up some scrap. My walker. Down here a minute. I remember wearing my gloves.
Yeah.
Beautiful day. Spring is here, I hope.
You can roll that down. It's not going to get too cold. If it is, I'll just turn the heat up.
Sorry about the moving there, guys. I apologize. No, it's for sale, 40 bucks. It's all broke up.
It'll be out by the road by the end of the week. Oh, look at that car.
Alright, I'll get back with you if we find any more goodies.
Okay, guys. Pizza for supper from Little Caesars. Because we're out running around and watching the traffic out here. And he's eating, so, you know, yum, yum, yum. So just to let you know what we're having for supper tonight. I don't have to cook. Okay. Bye.
We're back. Picked them up the other day. We don't got quite a load to take in, but we're getting there. Hang on. We'll get a load yet. Sure is a beautiful day. This is all we got. A few screen doors and stuff. That's some nice copper. Yep. Okay guys, I'll talk to you tomorrow. I gotta process all that, so I'll have a video on that. So. Alright. Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I'm still alive. Still ain't feeling the best, but hey, it's always a good day when the sun's shining and I'm out here playing in the scrap heap. Everybody taking all the toilet paper lately. Got some people in a pickle, huh? People panic just too much. But yeah, I'm just enjoying my day and got some sunshine and it goes away. But you know what? Spring is here, so I'm just trying to tear this door here apart, the screen door. Got a lot of good aluminum. That's about what I'm doing, just tearing this stuff apart. We went out last night, didn't find much, just a little bit in the back of the truck, but hey, it all adds up, so I'm happy about that. Aluminum. This whole door's aluminum. Hey, lucky day, lucky me. Man, we picked those up. Them are nice. Alright, rusty steel. That whole door is steel. Okay, except for that. That's gotta come off. Alright, we'll take that kick plate off and we'll, this whole door here is aluminum. So that'll come apart. I don't have a whole lot. Sold all my tools, so I don't really have much to work with. I got a Sawzall left and I got my grinder if I need it. It's down there. But just thinning the herd, that's all I'm doing. But that's the landlord's. I'm gonna be needing that when I'm gonna put sides on my trailer there so I can haul my toolbox and all this stuff in here, all the yard stuff. When we move, that's the way I can stay around the trailer. I don't have to double lift it. I can just put it on there and we're good to go. So, alright, I'm gonna get busy. I don't have much time. I slept in this morning, so I gotta get this stuff done so we can go. Wife is in there making yummy, yummy chili. Okay, talk to you in a bit. Alright guys, I got that all done. Got my straps and shit. Go see if we can find some more. Get a nice big load for tomorrow. So we can go get some groceries in the house. We're due for some groceries in the house. Getting down there. Sorry, I'm playing on my phone. This thing here, this app here, that's to turn my hearing aid up and down. It's pretty nifty. Alright, we're gonna get going. The wife's coming. Alright. Yeah, we're back, guys. Thought I'd show you my mess I got back here. It's all ready to go. It's all sorted. It's all my aluminum here on this side and then the copper. Got a little bit more on the truck. Couple things back there I gotta get rid of. Still gotta clean that mess. We did okay. Hot water tank, a washer, stainless steel sink. Yeah, we did alright. Alright, I'm gonna close this video out and we'll talk to you later, and please comment, rate, and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. I want to thank all my new subscribers, and we'll get this out as soon as I can. Alright, bye.